Okay, if you have to replace the fan of the Nimble, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it very easily. So this fan is the bad one. I'm going to show you also a few other things that are very interesting when you are building a data center or a server room or whatever for your customer. I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to replace the fan of the servers. So as you can see here, the main thing is make sure that the cables, they don't have a zip tie. As you can see, I have to cut the zip tie because in this case they don't have this arm, but this arm is very cool because you can have enough slack in order to move the servers up and down. And another thing that you have to keep in mind is those fans that you see, those screws that you see there you have one, and there you have the other screw. So you have to unscrew them, otherwise you're not going to be able to remove the cover. Also, you have to slide it to the front, so that way you're going to have enough space to remove the cover, as you can see here. So this is the front, as you can see, Nimble Storage. This is cool. It has some LED light, maybe I'll show you later when I connect it. So in order to remove this, it's very easy. This fan it was bad, so I had to remove it. As you can see, I'm shaking it and it's all completely hard. Also, if you try to move this, it's completely stuck. Basically, it's hard to move it. And what you have to do is just remove the screws that you have here. Here you have it. I removed the screw already, and you have to pull it like that, and that's it. So as you can see, you move it, and this is free to move. So basically, there you have the connector, and you have to put it here all the way. Put the screw back in, and then put the cover back. And that's it. So with this, I'll try to use my other hand a little bit so that way I can move it. Another thing, I was talking with the customer saying, hey, which one is the fan that is not working? He told me fan 2B, so that is where you have the labels, so that way you know which one you have to change. Alright, now I put the server back. So you have these screws, as you can see here. You have to screw them in. So everything that I'm doing is in hot, so you don't have to unplug it or anything like that. The fan has been replaced. Now I'm going to try to put this back. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. Great, I was able. Now you can see the light I was telling you. And basically, now I have to go back. And the bad thing about this is that they don't have this type of arms. Otherwise, with the arm, you don't have to use zip ties or anything like that. So you can move the server. I'm going to try to move the server, one of them. As you can see, I have plenty of slack with the arm, you can see, and I don't have to worry about unplugging things. Now they have this external hard drive that they put there. I don't know why, but the cable was not inside of the arm. So as you can see, you can work very good with this type of arm. It's great. The bad thing, this one, they didn't have the arm. But that is how it goes. So you go here, pop this up like that, and then you can pull it out. Basically, that's it.